The Glenwood Elementary School nurse got an alert from the Orange County Health Department about a confirmed case of whooping cough.
She was sending kids home that very same day that had any type of cough, or especially if it was severe or had any type of fever.
The school system says a second grader spread their cough to classmates, kids on the school bus, and a teacher.
We'd like parents to be more cautious about sending their children to school if they're having cold-like symptoms, running any type of fever or any type of cough.
You cough so violently that you get all the air out of your lungs, and then you take a deep breath to get air back in your lungs, and it makes that classic whooping sound.
Dr. Gregory Musteller, the medical director for UNC Urgent Cares, told me that severe symptoms take a week or two to present, and whooping cough normally starts out looking like a cold or viral illness. It's treatable with antibiotics.
It's most dangerous in young kids under 12 months, kids that aren't fully vaccinated. They can have a high mortality morbidity, and a lot of those kids need to be admitted to the hospital.
I found out that every Chapel Hill Carrboro City school has its own dedicated nurse. Administrators tell me they're very fortunate to have the funding for medical personnel at each campus at all times, and they say that in cases like what's happened here at Glenwood, it's very helpful not having to worry about a nurse splitting time between 2 or more schools. Some of the once sick are already back in class, and the staff says the school is healthy. In Chapel Hill, Robert Richardson, CBS 17 News.